Hello buddies. This is a long video. After a long time, this is the first video. So let's see, in this video we are going to see about the graphics layer modifier in Jetpack Compose. So what is the graphic layer modifier? So how we can use this one, where we can use that, what are the purpose of using graphics layer modifier? So those are the things we are going to see right now. So actually I just created an image view and with some dummy images, and you can see the preview also over here. So using this graphics layer, what we can do is we can we can change the scale, and we can change the translation, rotations, x, y, z. So those are all the positions, translation. So all those things we can use. That is a basic transaction. So without this transaction also we can use it, but using this transaction it will be like inside the frame, it will go out. If it is outside means we can have a offset. So there is a offset x also, it will go like 50.dp means it will go that side, but this will whole frame itself go that side. But if we are doing here this dot translate x is equal to, okay, so now means it will go, the frame will be there, it will only the content will go that side, right side. So that is how this will work. Okay, so you can see it more. So this side the space is less, this side the space is more. So okay, so you can see here nearly lot of options. It's like alpha, actually alpha is like we can 0.4 f. Alpha means we can reduce the blurriness, it's a brightness and visibility of the image. It is not only for the image, you can do this is for box, column. So everything you are having the graphics layer, so you can do everything with the graphics layer. Main thing, the scale is there, scale y is equal to 1f, and this dot scale y, say scale x is equal to 1f. So this 1f is a normal one, so default is 1f. The size of this one is an what is that, normal. Okay, so if you want the image in a transpose it, like inverted image means, so if I for example the image is like this, so the leaves are like here, so I want to be inverted, so it needs to be go there, which means what I need to do is I have to do the scale to be -1. So if I gave this one as a -1, so you can see the response, this image will go like inverted, it will be up complete opposites. You can see, so that's one, the scale you can use like that. Then you can see you have this rotation x, y, z, x, y, z. So x, y, z, like, well, this is all basic. So x is equal to, you can see like degrees, you have to give the degrees like that. So x degree, y x some degree, y some degrees, z some degree. So it's up to some expected degree. So this is like 60. So if you guess 360, it will come like that. Okay, so x, y, z will be the rotations as usual, normal rotations. Okay, so then you have the clip means it's a shape actually. So you can clip the content, it's like we have a clip over here, normal clip, right? So the same thing, circle shape like that you can give. Okay, what is the clip? Okay, clip means, so it is a true or false actually. So clip means it needs to be clipped with the frame, or it needs to be go out of the frame also. So well, when we are transferring, right, so if it is clipped means it the outside box it won't visible actually. If it is clip false means the outside box will be visible. Okay, so that's what the clip means here. Outside clip will be different, we have the frame size, though based on the frame size the clip will work. So here the clip will be different. Here you have one more main thing, the shape, size and all the same. So transfer origin. Okay, so transfer origin, like we have to tell it's like from which origin we have to rotate, from which origin. It is like a pivot point, center point. So now it will be in usually it will be 50-50, half off. You want to be in Okay, so now I am 0 0 means it will be, so it is like a matrix, like 0 0 10 10, see 10 10. Okay, 0 comma 1 0 comma, so now the rotation will happen here, you can see over here. So before the same 60, you saw the same 60 how it looks. So now you see the same 60, it will looks like it rotation will happen from this corner. Okay, from this corner, it won't happen in the center of this one, it will happen in this corner. So you can see it is happening different way. Before this one it will happen. So now if I have 0, right, 0, y will be x will be 10. I am if I am giving x as 1, so you can see now the pivot point is changing. So based on the pivot point, it is going that side. Okay, so now it's previous one, the center point, the rotation happens here. Rotation happen means it is nothing like this will be fixed to the, from this is fixed, and how to say that, so rotation means something need to be in the land, right? So if I am rotating means my leg will be in the land, my legs and my hands will be rotated. What if the hand will be in the land means my leg will rotate. The same process here. So which one it should be in the land, we need to fix. That is the pivot point from of here. Okay, so if it is like that, so if I gave 1 means it will go here, the rotation happened from here. Okay, it will be happen from here. So that is what the transfer origin. So I have to say this one also. Then you can see it here, like what is that, so you can see that transfer origin. Okay, so one more main thing is there, render effect. Okay, so render effect is like I should command these two things. Okay, these two things, and let me rerun it. So okay, what okay, so render effect is like, so we there is, it is like kind of graphical layer. So we can change the layouts, blurriness, color, and all those things using this render effect. Okay, so that is why it is there is a render effect. So render effect is like we have a render effect, so we have a lot of different things. So this is render effect. So render effect dot create color filter. So we can create a color filter. Color filter means in the editor we have a color filters, right? So those color filters we have to give the color, so that color will be appear as a filter. Okay, then blurriness, blur effect. Blur effect means we can decide the blurriness of the image. Okay, so blurriness, it's having the x and y axis. So which axis blurriness we need to save. Okay, and chain reaction means it will be like one after other. So there will be outer and inner parameter, two parameter you can see. So outer parameter will be outer will be run first, so inner will be work first, outer will be works. It is like a follow up, followed by inner, outer will be work. Okay, so that is how it works. So first we'll go with the blur effect. Okay, so in the blur effect we have what is that? Okay, so x y, then shaders. Okay, so first one I am giving, first is x. Okay, so 10f comma 10f comma shaders dot tilt dot, so I am giving clamp. Okay, so this render, right, this render will accept, this render will be different, it's not a composable render, so we have to convert this as a composable render effect. Okay, now it is like that. So if you see, I gave 10 is to 10, see 10 and 10, so y will be 10, x will be 10, so the whole image will be blur in the both directions now. Okay, so you can see it here, this whole image is normal as usual blur. So if I remove the y blurriness, if I remove the y blurriness means only x, you can see the vertical shaders only. You can see if I'll just increase this one, then you can see clearly. Where is that? Yeah. So you can see it here. So it is it is blurred in the vertical form, complete vertical one. So if here it is, I am changing x to y. Now you can see the y will be complete. Just observe this image, that image will be little different, it will be completely from y blurred. So you can see it here, now it is y blurred. So both is blurred means it will be looks different. Both where is that? Yeah, both is 2020 means it will be a normal blurriness. Okay, so this is blurriness. So now I am going to give now we will create what is the color color effect. Okay, create color filter effect. Okay, so what is color filter effect? So color filter effect, we have one parameter is like color matrix color filter. Okay, inside this one color matrix. Okay, yeah, done. So in this color filter, it is a matrix form. Okay, float array of, okay, float array of, it is a 4:5 matrix, 4:5 matrix. So for first 0f 0f 0f, okay, 4 4. So the thing is, the first row, it is like it is from RGBA. Okay, first row is RGBA. Okay, so another one, you can ask what is the last one. This is the fifth column. So fifth column is the brightness. So if the brightness will be in the plus, means it will be a light. If it is in the minus, means it is a dark. Okay, so that's what. So same thing we need to, okay, 4 times. So in here also it is like R B C R G B A. Okay, so this is 0. Now we didn't have anything. So if I am giving 1 1 1, yeah, this is also 1. Okay, so this is some normal random color. It will show, you can see, we gave float array also like this. So you can see it is like transparent, we have nothing when we are changing the option. So I just have already something, so I'll just copy and paste it over here. So we have that. Okay, yeah, we have something over here. Okay, so same thing, I'm just copy and pasting. So we don't want this one. First of all, I'll just show you without that. Okay, okay, yeah, so now it is some different color, so you can see what color it is. Okay, so this color will apply as a, you can see it over here. So this color will apply as a filter for the image. So this is how we can change the image filter in Android. Okay, so this is this one. So we can combine this both thing, and we can add in the render effect, actually, like this. Okay, so if you can see over here, render effect dot create chain filter. Okay, where is that chain effect? Okay, chain effect. So first effect will be this one, comma, second effect will be this one, as composable. Okay, so now first effect and second effect is combined, so the blurriness and the color is combined. So you can see the output, how it is looks, the color, so you can see the filter and color is combined, so it is looking like this. Okay, so this is the basic overview of the graphic layer. So in the future video, we are in mostly next 4-5 videos will be like that. We are going to do animation kind of things with this, and we are going to go through all the major effects and Jetpack Compose animations. So those things and all we are going to see how we are going to do in this one. And I'm just loading one effect. So this is the animation. So this animation, you can see this gel effect, all those effects we are going to discuss in the upcoming video. So if you want, just subscribe and keep tuned for the playlist. Okay, yeah, thank you.